you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Lasko 42-inch wind curve tower fan. As you see that we have right here. So without further ado, let's get into it. Firstly, we'll talk about some features of this fan. So I got this fan from Amazon here, just showed up today, and it's got a pretty good review, over 4,000 customer reviews, and that's pretty good. It's 4-star rated all the way around, has some pretty nifty features as well. So it also includes a remote. On the remote there'll be a couple different functions. You'll be able to control, of course, the timer, the power of the fan, the speed of the fan, and then as well as the oscillation there, so it goes side to side. Some other nifty features of this fan that you'll notice here is it has a built-in carrying handle, has a high reaching design, again 42 inches, and that is for maximum airflow delivery. Has 3 quiet speeds. That's one of the great things about these tower fans. They're very quiet, so if you're using them for sleep, works perfect. And it's very compact design, makes it very useful in terms of using it not only for your kitchen and different rooms in your home, the bedroom, dorm rooms, really diverse. You can use it in a whole bunch of different areas. Without further ado, let's get in the box and see what's inside. Without further ado, here's the fan. Weighs about 15 pounds. And inside the box we have the nifty remote, and you'll see that we have the base here and instructions. The base should clip on pretty easily, and the base of the fan clicks in and turns to lock in place. So here we have it, the 42-inch wind curve Lasko fan. We're going to get this plugged in and see how it runs. And there we go, it's powering up, and it does put out quite a nice force of air. On top we have a few buttons. You have your power on and off, your turning, timer, as well as the different fan modes. There's 3 different modes, low, medium, and high. And you have an LED indicator here to indicate which mode that you're on, as well as a LED light for the timer ranging from a half hour to 4 hours. That is it, you guys. This has been a first look at the Lasko 42-inch wind curve fan. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe. More videos like this coming every week. With that, I'll see you guys on the next video.